What is up, guys, and welcome to the South Coast. Today's video is going to be a quick one on cleaning the air filter in the bad boy Maverick. Let's get to it. Alright, guys, it is as easy as that to get that air filter cleaned up and ready to go for the next time you're going to cut. This was a this is a Kohler engine on a bad boy Maverick 2019 model, so your air filter may look a little different, but the same concept should apply. Go ahead and get that air filter cover pulled off. Pull your any loose grass or debris that's in there, get it pulled out of there. Pull your air filter out. At that point, I like to plug the air intake hole in that case sort of deal. I like to plug it up, use the rag today. You can use paper towel, shop rag, anything like that. Don't forget to pull that out later. But plug it up, get all that other loose debris and stuff blown out of there. It doesn't take much to get it out of there. And then pull that foam cover off your air filter, get it washed up with a little bit of Dawn dish soap. Does the job perfectly. And then usually I would take the air compressor with the hose and the nozzle on it and blow out that inner air filter, try to get all that dust out of that one. Today came out to the shop and my air compressor is low on oil, so I decided to not run it. Do not want to burn up my shop air compressor. So I just basically knocked it out on my hand there, got all that dust knocked out, and it's good to go. So definitely want to let that foam air filter dry out a bit before you get it back on the mower and get it fired up. So once that foam dries out, get it back on the inner air filter, pop it back in your mower. After you pull that towel out or whatever you use to block up that air intake, pull that out, put your filter on, put your cover on, and you're ready to go do some more cutting. So that's that. We're going to wrap this one up here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment down in the comment section. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Come along and see what else we get into down here on the South Coast. Trying to get into some more homesteading stuff as we get our house finished up at the piece of property that we own. That should be getting finished up here in the next few months. Hopefully by the end of summer we'll be living out there, be able to do more homesteading like videos. So if you like those, definitely click that subscribe button. Anyway, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.